Hello everyone, welcome to our strategic team meeting. I'm Imelda Zahwa and I'll be opening today's session. We are thrilled to share the details of a new app concept we have been developing. It's called Circle In. Before we begin, let me first introduce our team members who are present today and will each take part in this presentation. uh, Timotheus, who will present the product feature and user experience, Unique, who will walk us through the financial planning and monetization strategy, Riva Khalid, who will analyze the competition and outline our launch strategy, and myself, Imelda Zahwa. I will be opening today's session and wrapping up with our implementation plan. Circle In, designed specifically for Gen Z user, aiming to help them discover local event and connect with like-minded communities is in a fast, easy, and personalized way. Whether it's indie concert, photography workshop, exhibition, public movie screening, or food bazaar, Circle In brings all of those experiences into one simple smart app. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick overview of the key point we'll be discussing today. One, product feature, what Circle In can do, how it works, and the core functionality. Uh, Two, marketing strategy, how we plan to promote Circle In and reach our target market. Financial planning, including budget, revenue stream, and break-even analysis, competitor analysis and launch plan, how Circle In stand out and how we plan roll it out. And then implementation plan and action step for each of us moving forward. We will take turn presenting our section and we will also engage in short discussion to respond to one another's suggestion. The aim is to collaboratively shape a strong and realistic product launch strategy. With that, I will now hand it over to Timotheus to introduce the product feature.
Hi everyone, I'm Timotheus. Thank you, Imelda, for your opening. And I will take you through the product side of Circle In, how it works, what makes it useful, and why we believe it will some resonate with Gen Z user. So Circle In is more than just an event listing app. It's a personalized event discovery and social engagement platform. The experience starts the moment users download the app. They will be asked to select their interests, things like music, film, entrepreneurship, gaming, or wellness. Based on that, our app will create a list of events happening around them. Here are some of the core features we have mapped. First is dynamic event feed with tailored recommendation, and then a social RSVP system where users can indicate interests and also see which of their friend is going, and then push notification for last minute or trending event, a map view with nearest concert and event information, and then in-app calendar sync so user never miss an event again. We're designing the UI to be clean, responsive, and friendly. A lot of Gen Z users prefer minimal interface and familiar navigation. So we're building something that feels like a blend of Instagram, Explore, and Spotify Discover. Now, I'd love to ask Rival, do you think this feature list is sufficient for an MVP launch, or there is something you suggest we add or improve? Hello, Rival.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, do you think our feature list is sufficient for MVP launch, or there is something you suggest to add or improve?
I really like the structure so far. Maybe in the future, we could let user create their own mini events, like a study group, meetup, or a board game night.
That's a great idea. User-generated event can definitely increase engagement. We can put that in our phase 2 roadmap. Okay, for next session, you can please, Unica.
Okay, thank you, Timotheus. Hello, everyone. I'm Unique, and I'll walk you through the financial and monetization plan for Circle In. We've decided that the app will be completely free for user. Our target audience, mostly student and young professional, are unlikely to pay for discovery features. So monetization will be driven on the B2B side. That means promoters, sponsors, and event organizers. Revenue streams. Number one, paid listing. Event creators pay to get their event highlight in the apps. Number two, promoter dashboard. Subscription models for data analytic and performance matrix. Number three, brand sponsorship, curated collaboration with brands targeting Gen Z audience. For our cost estimation, for development in 45 million rupiah, marketing 25 million rupiah, miscellaneous, and operation 5 million rupiah, total initial budget 75 million rupiah. Revenue projection, break-even point at 10,000 monthly active user. Project monthly income 8 until 10 million from paid event slots. Monetization begins at month 4 post-launch. Timothy, from a business standpoint, do you think this is competitive compared to other platform?
I do. Most competitors don't offer analytics or targeting tools to event organizers. If we build that in from the start, it becomes a strong selling point.
Great. That validation helps. I will now pass to Rival for our competitive analysis.
Okay, thanks, Unique. Hello, everyone. I'm Ripal, and I present to our competitor research and go-to-market strategy. So far, we've analyzed apps like Eventbrite, Squares, and even Facebook events. While these platforms have strong infrastructure, they will not optimize for casual, community-driven events. They tend to focus on ticketed concert, seminars, or larger corporate expos. Where Kirkline stand out, for personalization, we prioritize user interest over generic listings. Social engagement or app shows what's going and promote shared experience. UI UX, Genji focused, sweepable, minimalist, no clutter. And our plan is to launch in 3 phases. And one, closed beta in Jakarta, BINUS, Indonesian University, and Trisakti University. With 2,200 selected users, and two, analyze behavior, gather feedback, optimize UI. And three, full public release, plus digital campaigns via TikTok and Instagram Reels. Goal, 20,000 install in 6 months. And Imelda, do you think students will be early adopters if we approach them to campus communities? Yeah, hello, Imelda.
Yes, definitely if you use real ambassador or communities they trust, it will feel more authentic. Suggest we target student clubs too.
Excellent. That will increase stickiness from day one. Okay, next.
Imelda, I think your microphone is still mute.
Sorry. Thanks everyone. Let's end with our group action plan. Each member has their own text for this coming week to move the project forward. Imelda, myself, finalize app UI mockup and user journey diagram in Figma. Rival draft 3 influencer outreach script and finalize branding tagline. Unique build detailed spreadsheet for cost versus revenue forecast. Timotheus complete the competitor benchmarking and creative visual pitch deck. Let's schedule another check-in meeting next Friday to share update. Thank you all. Let's make Circle In a success. With that, let's dive into the first part of our discussion. Timotheus will now walk us through the product features in more detail. The core idea is simple but powerful. Help users discover local events based on their interests and let them see which of their friends are understanding. It's social, it's localized, and it's tailor-made for the dynamic lifestyle of our generation. Now, about Circle in itself, our app is designed to address a common problem among Gen Z users, not knowing where to find relevant real-world events, whether it's an art show, a startup event, or a casual hangout. Circle In brings all this into one personalized platform that feel natural and social. Before we begin, let me outline the key point we will be discussing today. The purpose of this meeting is to collaborative shape our product launch strategy. We will each present a specific section related to 5 new product. One, product feature, the main functionalities and user experience, to marketing strategy, how we plan to reach our audience, three, financial plan, funding, budgeting, and monetization, for competitor analysis and launch plan, understanding the market on our positioning, and 5, action plan, what each team member will do move forward. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you in Friday.